An albino raccoon is a rare genetic variation of the common raccoon, Procyon lotor, in which the animal lacks the pigment melanin, which gives its fur the typical grayish-brown coloration. Instead, albino raccoons have white or cream-colored fur and pinkish eyes due to the lack of pigmentation. Albino raccoons are very rare, with estimates suggesting that only 1 in 10,000 raccoons are born with this genetic condition. The lack of melanin also makes these animals more vulnerable to predators and less able to cope with bright sunlight, which can damage their eyes. If you ever come across an albino raccoon, it's important to remember that it's still a wild animal and should be treated with caution and respect. It's also illegal in many places to keep raccoons as pets, including albino raccoons, so it's best to appreciate them from a safe distance. Albino raccoons are typically the same size as regular raccoons. Adult raccoons typically weigh between 3.5 to 9 kg and can grow up to 60 to 90 cm in length, including their bushy tail. However, the size and weight of a raccoon can vary depending on factors such as their age, sex, and geographical location. Albino raccoons have the same diet as regular raccoons. They are omnivorous and eat a wide variety of foods, including insects, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, eggs, small mammals, birds, and fish. They are opportunistic feeders and will scavenge for food in urban areas, raiding garbage cans, compost piles, and pet food dishes. Raccoons are also skilled hunters and will catch and eat small prey such as rodents, frogs, and crayfish. They are known to prefer sweet and high-fat foods, which is why they are sometimes attracted to bird feeders and other sources of human-provided food. Albino raccoons have the same breeding patterns as regular raccoons. Raccoons are polygamous and breed from late winter to early spring. The males will mate with multiple females, and the females will give birth to litters of 2 to 5 young after a gestation period of approximately 63 days. The young, called kits, are born blind and helpless and will stay with their mother for several months before becoming independent. Raccoons reach sexual maturity at around 1 year of age. Because albino raccoons are a rare genetic variation, they may not be as common in the wild as non-albino raccoons. However, their breeding patterns and reproductive behaviors are not significantly different from those of non-albino raccoons. The lifespan of an albino raccoon is generally like that of a regular raccoon. In the wild, raccoons typically live for 2 to 3 years, although some may live up to 5 years or more. In captivity, raccoons can live longer, up to 20 years or more, but this is rare. Factors that can affect the lifespan of an albino raccoon include their environment, food availability, disease, and predation. Albino raccoons may also be at a disadvantage in the wild due to their lack of pigmentation, which can make them more vulnerable to predators and other environmental factors. It's important to remember that raccoons, including albino raccoons, are wild animals and should be allowed to live and thrive in their natural habitat. Keeping them as pets is not recommended and can be illegal in many areas. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.